How to activate chat hits in Messenger Android. For that, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. If not, go to Play Store. On the search bar, tap on it and type in Messenger and search for it. If you see update button next to Messenger, then it means your app needs to be up to date and you can tap on update button and update it. Since I have the updated version, I can see open instead of update. Once you have done that, you have to go to Messenger app and log into your Messenger account. We can see at the top notifications are off, so you have to turn on. For that, tap on three-line menu icon at top left corner. Go to settings at the top right corner. Here, you have to scroll and tap on notifications and sounds, and you have to toggle on. We have already been on this page, so tap on the off and you'll be taken to this page where you have to toggle on allow notifications. And as you can see that the notification has already been allowed. Once you have done that, make sure the chat hits is active, the button is on. If it is off in this way, you have to toggle on the chat hits active. Now come back from here and make sure the chat hits is enabled. So that's how we can easily activate the chat hits in Messenger Android. Now anyone if messages you, then the chat hit will pop up. So that's how we activate chat hits in Messenger Android. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.